Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to add a McDonald's gift card on the McDonald's app. First, open the app and sign in with your McDonald's account. If you do not have an account yet, create one using your email address. Once you are signed in, look for the menu or your profile icon in the app. This is usually at the bottom or top of the screen. Tap it and find the payment or wallet section where you can manage payment methods. In some app versions, you may see a section called Payment and Gift Cards. Now, here is the key part about gift cards. The McDonald's app does not allow you to register an Arch card as a payment method for mobile orders at this time. This means you cannot just add the gift card balance to pay for orders inside the app like you can with a credit card. So what can you do with your McDonald's gift card? You can still use it when you are in the restaurant or at the drive-thru. When you are ready to order at the counter or kiosk, open your physical gift card or digital gift card code on your phone and show the code to the crew member. They can scan the barcode or enter the number to apply the balance to your order. Thanks for watching.